Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the fathers of various sciences which are usually asked in the competition exams. In the last video, I discussed about the branches of biology, and there will be some link between these fathers of various sciences video and the last video. So I'm going to share the link in my description. The first we have got is father of biology and father of zoology, that is Aristotle. Next is father of botany, that is Theophrastus. The third is father of genetics, that is Gregor John Mendel, usually known as Mendel genetics. And the fourth we have got is the father of evolutionary ideas, that is Empedocles. The fifth we have is father of eugenics, that is Francis Galton. Now, eugenics is a new word for some of you. Eugenics means the techniques to improve genetic computation of the human races by different methods, just like reproduction. So, eugenics means improve genetic composition of humans. Genetic composition of human. The next we have got is father of mutation. Mutation means where the changes in the DNA, or we can say the genes, is being done. The genetic material will get some changes in it, leading to the changes in the organism expressed. And the father of mutation is Hugo de Vries. The next we have is father of modern embryology, and the name is Carl Ernst von Baer. The next is father of paleontology. Paleontology means study of fossils is there, and the father is Leonardo da Vinci. Then the next we have is father of taxonomy, and it is Carolus Linnaeus. Now, this Carolus Linnaeus is the name which is obtained from the Latin words, but the real name is Carl von Linné. The scientist worked so much on the taxonomy and was influenced by this Latin language and his work that he converted his name into the Latin language, Carolus Linnaeus. But what is the real name? Carl von Linné. The next one we have is father of special creation. Now, this theory of special creation is given by Father Suarez. And what is this theory actually? So this theory says that the life was created by some supernatural power, what we consider as God, and it is present in the same form in which it was created. There are no changes done in the organisms in the life which is being created by the supernatural powers. So this theory is known as theory of special creation. The next one is father of blood groups, that is K. Lenz-Steiner. Blood groups are studied, and we have 4 types of blood group possible: A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, or O blood group. So these blood groups can be studied, their inheritance can be studied, and it was done by Lenz-Steiner. The next one we have is father of blood circulation, and the name is William Harvey. Blood circulation means how the blood flows completely in the body of the organism is studied in this part. The next one we have got is father of comparative anatomy, that is G. Cuvier. In this comparative anatomy, the similarities and dissimilarities of the organism is studied. The next one is modern genetics, that is W. Bateson is there as the father of modern genetics. And the next we have is human genetics, where we study about the frequency of alleles in the population and about the pedigree, like the inheritance of the traits within the family. This human genetics father is A. Garrod. Next is father of medicine, who is Hippocrates. Father of microbiology, Leeuwenhoek. Father of immunology, who gave how this immunity is developed, that is Edward Jenner. The knowledge about the vaccines. So these are the fathers of various sciences which are important for us, for general knowledge, for the competition exams. Please like, share, subscribe my channel.